Okay, so we're getting there. And then here, we're going to make that the game response. Right, so far so good. And then lightning refactors. We're just carving this up as fast as we can, right? Because we're just changing it around in terms of where things happen, cleaning it up, just how the sausage is made. And our request is already set. And then otherwise, if this works out, then all we really need to do here is say that, hey, we found the player is equal to I player was successful, game response dot was successful equals true. Okay. And so we should have the sender name. Let's go ahead and back this up just a little bit to the stuff we took out. So it's request.sender and then .name. So inside the game response, inside that request, inside that sender, not the name. So inside, that's all we've gotten so far. We know we're going to get back the name. And then we take that. And so this is the beginning of all of our, I'm going to cut it here. I don't want to, but I'm going to cut it here so we can get back in here tomorrow and really start carving up this hive mind into all the places where it's supposed to be. And when we do that, we're going to see all of this stuff disappear. We're going to see all of this stuff disappear and go to where it's supposed to go. And it's all going to make a lot more sense as far as the hive mind going back to being this lean, mean command processing machine. That's not too cheesy a thing to say. And our base handler is going to get a little more robust, as well it should, because our base handler is really the place we want to put all of this specialized helper logic. All the things that the hive mind needs to make sense of things shouldn't go in the hive mind. The hive mind is a very pretentious, entitled thing, right? It demands that if you're going to talk to it, you've already got all your business in order. So, we set the stage. I'm going to check in broken code, right? Because I have chop suey this guy up. But tomorrow, for day 2, we'll make all of this right as rain, and we'll be ready to go into next week's design pattern, where we're looking to, now that we've got a really well factored out client-server architecture, where do we take it from there? Freeman360 says, hi, I was watching your stream a few months ago, and you seem to have made a lot of progress since then. I think we have. I think we've really started to show what you can do with just a few tools and the problems you can solve. Right? So when you look at this, if you're coming back from a few months ago and you're looking at this, while there's more of it, it should all feel about the same, right? It should all feel like it was written with the same voice. It's not running off and being clever over here and being super smart over here and random algorithms over there. They're all derived from these abstractions that we based our design patterns off of, and it all flows consistently between tiers. So that's kind of the goal. So I'm going to step away for a second from the mic while I close all this stuff down, and as usual, once I've checked everything in and it all looks good, I will wave goodbye to you all, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow when we, again, really start to break this down. All right. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you tomorrow. Try to get in that 45-minute realm. We'll keep ratcheting it down. I think it's a really good format, and hopefully this makes all you folks that are watching the videos after the fact, it makes it a little more digestible and a little less hang time. But let me know your thoughts either here or in Reddit or on Twitter, and I'll work all that feedback into the stream. All right.